Do you want to make $50 online with zero effort? Al is making it easier than ever before for you, especially to earn passive income. Right now in 2025, we are here stationed to make money online. Can you make $50 in any other business? Are you very sure? Some businesses you can, but most of them, 98% of them, you can't. So today, in this video, I'll show you the 5 powerful albums that can help you make money online in this 2025, step by step, whether you want to start a side hustle, automate tasks, or even you want to scale your online business. These all tools will do the hard work, and for you, you'll just sleep and smile. Make sure to watch till the end, because the last AI or AI tool is an absolute game changer. And let's get started. Before we get started, I would love to salute every new person that has come on Immaculate Show. If you don't know what we do on Immaculate Show, we teach you, we push you, we motivate you to know that in this 2025, with a smartphone, with your iPhone, with your data that you load every day, and you have social media, you can do anything. Now that AI has come, these bots have come, we just sleep and make money. We have confirmed it. I've done it. I get money, and you can do it also. So let's dive in now and see AI bot number 1. The AI bot number 1 is called ChatGPT. This ChatGPT is my darling because it has been, it has softened my work for more than 6 months now. It makes me make money doing content creation. How does this ChatGPT work? ChatGPT can write for me blog post. It has gone to the extent of writing for me social media content, production description, and even YouTube scripts. It does this in just seconds. In minutes it has done, and I'm clear. I only edit, I add something, I subtract, and I start doing my video covering. Now, how does it work? I know out there you are like, Christine, how can I make this money? Well, I'm going to take you in a step-by-step guide such that you can know what to do. However, this is a disclaimer. What I'm giving you here is 1%. I want you to get your iPhone. I want you to get your whatever Android phone, your laptop, your PC. Start learning in deep. But if you want me to teach you in details, you can hold me. You can send me an email or on peacechristine4@gmail.com, and there's a fee of which we have given 2025, the first quarter, we are giving 50% off to our students such that we can all mingle and know how to make money with this ChatGPT and all other tools. So the step number 1, you have to start freelancing with ChatGPT for you to get $50. Well, for you to do freelancing, you have to sign up for some platforms. I always tell you, we have platforms like Fiverr, we have platforms like Upwork. They all offer all-generated content services like blog writing. We have also copy, is also video scripts. 2, you can create blogs. You can use ChatGPT to create blogs and generate SEO, high optimized blog posts and monetize them with ads and affiliate links the moment you decide to say, let me do content creation. Then you can also automate social media platforms, like you create viral content for Instagram, for YouTube that you're watching me from right now, LinkedIn, and even social media management and services. So why is it very easy, and I'm calling it the easy way to get this $50 per day using this? It's easy because AI does 90% of its work for you. You just scale, edit, and post quickly. So the minimum you just invest in minimum efforts. That's why it is easy. Then 2, we have AI bot number 2, which is Midjourney. Midjourney, you can earn from generated art and design. How does Midjourney work? It is an AI tool that creates stunning digital artworks in seconds. Most people have not used it, but the majority of the creators who have gone ahead of us, they are using it, and it is so awesome. The step-by-step for you, for any beginner here, for you to make $50 on Midjourney, you have to sell a generated art by creating digital prints and sell them on Etsy, Redbubble, even Printify. Then you can also offer logo and design services. Like most people who are offering me I know what they use, especially for our thumbnails and even the images. You upload all generated mid-gen logos by creating them, by making posters, by even branding materials for clients on Fiverr. On Fiverr or Fiverr, how you call it, it's Fiverr. Then you can sell also stock images. How do you sell stock images? You upload all generated networked Shutterstock or Adobe stock and earn your royalties. Then the third bot, but before going to the third bot, why do we say it is easier to make $50 with this? Because no designing skills is needed. You just type a prompt and it does the work by bringing for you an image, and then you said it is easy. The bot 3 is AI bot 3 is synthesis. This one makes money with all generated videos. How does it work? Synthesia, it creates professional all generated videos without needing a camera. No need of microphone and no need of editing skills. How it works? You start a faceless YouTube channel, use Synthesia to create all voiced explainer videos and monetize with ads and affiliate marketing. Offer AI video services by creating promotional videos for business of Fiverr or Upwork. Sell online courses. Use all avatars to record and sell courses on Udemy or Teachable. We call it easier because it creates videos for you. What you need, you just add a script and choose an avatar. That's all what you do. And you start monetizing your work. The AI bot number 4 is Jasper. Jasper is used for earning money from AI copywriting and marketing. It works in a way that it can write for you tools that helps you create high converting sales copy, ads and email sequences in minutes. What you do here, you sell AI copywriting services, like you can offer ad copy, website content and email marketing on freelance sites. You can start an affiliate blog. Use Jasper AI to write SEOs articles and monetize with Amazon or ClickBank affiliate links. And then you can create and sell AI generated ebooks like white ebooks in minutes and sell them on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, that is KDP. It is easier because everything here is being written for you. What you need is copy and paste, then you publish and start earning money. The last but not least, that is AI bot number 5, is called Replica AI. This is where you earn from AI chatbot automation. It is not common, but most people who know it, they are earning money from it. Replica AI can stimulate conversation. It can provide customer support or even act as a virtual coach. What you need to do here, you create AI chatbot, then especially for businesses. You offer chatbot services on Shopify, on Facebook, on websites to help business automate sales and support. Create and start at coaching services. Use Replica AI to provide personalized chatbot driven coaching in fitness, relationship, and even mental wellness. Monetize AI chatbots on Telegram and WhatsApp. You can build subscription-based AI chatbots and charge users for access. You guys, it is easy because AI handles everything, customer interaction, answering your queries and other things. The option for you here is just to just earn on autopilot. You guys, here we have 5 powerful AI bots that can help you make $50 daily in this 2025. Which tool are you going to use, you guys? Let me know in the comment section. And please, if you know you've been using these ones, you can also go ahead and tell us what has been your experience. Let's make $50 and above daily, just in a very easy way. Thank you very much. Bye.